Hello, Wolftrepreneurs. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out the exact sales volumes for a product on Amazon for free and how you can prevent others from finding out your sales volumes. Stay tuned.
Wolftrepreneur. Sorry, still working on a proper intro.
So let's say you want to find out the sales numbers for this bottle here. What you do is step one is to add the product to your cart. Then you click on edit. And now you change the quantity to 999. Now, this will give you the maximum quantity available for this product right now. What you do is you create a very simple spreadsheet like this, which I have done previously, and you just fill it in with the title, product price, URL to the product, and every day at the same time you do this process. So I've done it on the 11th and they had 78 in stock. I did it yesterday, they had 60 in stock, and I did it just today, they had 38 in stock. That means they've sold 22. So you do it that way, and so you list your products and you do it for other products, like let's say this one here. So if I add it to basket, edit basket, just delete that one, come here, 999, date, you've got 651. So come back here, 651, and I'm going to find out how many they've sold. They've sold 22 again. So another free tool you can use, which is really easy, it's much easier than doing this, is called Helium 10 extension, XRay. So you download this Helium 10 extension, I'll put a link down here, and you click on XRay, and instantly it gives you the monthly sales volume. So you're asking me, why should I use the first method, not the second method? Well, this one gives you a limited number of searches. After that, you need to pay. So now we come to the second point. So how can you stop other sellers from spying on you and seeing your numbers? It's very easy. When you list your product on Amazon, there's a section where you can limit the number of purchases, number of quantities per order. I always put 25 because frankly, it's very rare for someone to order like more than 25 of a typical product on Amazon, like more than 25 bottles. It's rare. Let them create a few orders if they're really that interested. And it also protects you from the buy box thieves, because a lot of buy box thieves would order all your products and empty your stock, and then they will immediately cancel the order. So they win the buy box. And this is really horrible. So signing up for Helium 10 is quite easy. You just visit the Helium 10 website and you click on sign up for free. And if you use my link, you get a discount if you choose to upgrade to the Pro version. After you sign up, you click on Chrome extension and you can download the Chrome extension. I've already got the Chrome extension. If you don't have Chrome, then go to Google and search for Get Chrome, and you just go to the Chrome website, and here on the Chrome web page you can just download Chrome. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful, please hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions or you would like to see any specific videos, please leave a comment down below, and I will probably make more videos on how to make sure people can't spy on you, and also other ways to research for free. So yeah, just drop a comment below what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.